Hello and good evening. This is probably the first time you attended Tech Tuesdays. But before we really start this interview, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. First of all, thank you for inviting me to Tech Tuesday UK. My name is Rama Devi Lanka. I'm from Government of Telangana, India. Uh, I primarily help governments in building their ecosystems. You may call me as an ecosystem builder, like for tech, in the tech space, like the AI ecosystem, the drone ecosystem, the blockchain ecosystem, and so on. I help the governments in coming out with policy frameworks, help them in executing those frameworks, setting up center of excellences in these emerging technologies that I mentioned just before. And more importantly, I help the governments in leveraging technology to solve problems, to improve services to businesses, to improve services to citizens, and solve very critical problems in the government, such as, use technology to help farmers increase their income, to save lives by reducing accidents using AI solutions, and so on.
Thank you. That was very, very interesting. Moving on, as I mentioned earlier, this was the first time you had joined Tech Tuesdays, and that too in the panel of Tech Tuesdays UK. So, can you briefly share what's been your experience so far?
Well, it was a great experience, I would say. I have been participating in many events, panel discussions, keynotes, and so on, within India and, of course, outside India. But the formats were quite different than what I've experienced in Tech Tuesday. It was a free flow format. And I was really surprised to see, Indians living abroad giving their perspective, sharing their knowledge about how India should actually lead in the tech space, how India should become, the tech capital. Really enjoyed thoroughly, thrilled to actually hear those perspectives so that, we can also take them back and, see what we can do in terms of making the country as the tech capital. And I like the topic that you have actually selected that day. How can India become the tech capital? So it was great discussion. Free flow format is what I like, and this is the first time that I'm actually participating in such kind of format. Very nice, I would say. Enjoyed really well. Thank you.
No, your words are truly encouraging. Thank you, Ramaji, for this. And last but not the least one, any parting shot on Tech Tuesday UK, very, very briefly.
Well, as I said, I really liked the different perspectives that were shared during that session. So I think more of such kind of session should be conducted in the sense you should have one representative from India. So it then it would be a kind of exchange of ideas between people living in UK and India. So this is what I think going forward you can do it. It may not be for in every session, but at least alternatively or once in a while, have yeah, people from India, to understand what others are thinking elsewhere. So that would really improve the, enrich, I would say, the discussions.
No, that's a great one. In fact, I would really request you to join back for the next episode of Tech Tuesday, which is a continuing part of the series happening on the 15th. But thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for sharing loads of invaluable information on India, on Telangana, and look forward to see you in the future episode of Tech Tuesday. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening.
Sure, thank you.